Today we'll talk about how can you enable card browse money on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on general here. When you just click on it, you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here and you come here to card browser menu. Just click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here card browser menu enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.